Jonathan Wilkins, who is 12 years old, is fishing at Falls Lake, North Carolina. Today, he is not using any live bait. Time to get started. He had to be careful around trees like this because water usually comes all the way up over these roots. There could also be a lot of animals under there, including stranded fish. Now Jonathan's going to change his bait to try something else. As you see, he has a lot of bait, and this isn't even all of it. So next up, he's going to try a different type and see how that works out. Jonathan is very skilled at putting on and taking off bait. He also knows a lot of different techniques. So he's putting the bait on so that not only is the bait attached well, but it will also catch the fish when the fish grabs the bait. These sunglasses Jonathan is putting on are special fishing sunglasses. They allow you to see in the water to see if there are things like roots that you should avoid, or even see fish to try to catch them. Jonathan didn't have any luck today, so he did not catch any fish, but it was still fun to go fishing at Falls Lake, North Carolina.